Okay, this is a video where we're going to show how the probe doesn't want to do a 2-point calibration. It likes to do 100%, but it doesn't want to do 0%. So right now we have it on measure, and what we're going to do now is we're going to change it to calibrate. And here we are holding the probe up in the atmospheric oxygen and calibrating at 100%. And it says 89.3 and it's ready. So here's our problem. We can't get it to change to 0, so we can do a 0% calibration with the sodium sulfite. And so you're supposed to hit enter, done, go to calibrate, and I mean, there's just no way to change it to 0. Am I correct? That was the thing?
Yeah.
And, oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't mode, and you couldn't go down. Nope, see, now it wants to do temperature, and we don't want that. Ah!
Go back, yeah. Okay.
And that is, yes, calibrate. So there's no way to do 0. And the gentleman on the phone asked us to just go ahead and, you know, put it in the 0% oxygen solution, and you will see that it does go down, but we're not super convinced that it's calibrating for 0% because the top number does not say 0. And it accurately records the temperature. And she's, you know, mildly stirring it in like the directions say in the handbook. And the gentleman on the phone suggested that perhaps, you know, once it got down to 0 and settled and said ready, the top number might change to 0, and it didn't last time we tried. We just need to confirm that this is going to be a 0% calibration because these are physics students. They're going to be getting empirical data from the lab in a perfect setting. It is not going to be out in nature like a geologist would. So it has to have a 2-point calibration. And these are PhD students, and they will be publishing their data. Okay, oh, keep going. The ready went away, because ideally it should reach 0.
Yeah.
Would you do me a favor and just grab a beaker and just get some regular tap water? Because I'd like to test the DO of just tap water afterward. Yeah, that's fine right there.
We're down to 1.
We're down to 1. Ooh, less than 1. And it says ready at 1. So it has set, but it says 100%. But down here, obviously, that is 1%. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Whoops. What did it say? It says error. I'm going to show that again. When you hit, whoops, let me do it again. Hit enter, it says no. So anyway, just to show you what the probe is doing now, why don't you put it in the regular tap water so we can show that it is at least reading something, but we don't know how accurate it is.
Wipe it and then...
Yeah, you can dab it. It'll be fine. So that's just regular tap water, and we need to put it on measure. Yeah. So, I mean, that's a very reasonable reading for tap water that was just poured. So I'm not sure what to do, and we look forward to hearing from you.